guys, I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're learning how to massage kale properly. A lot of people tell me that they don't like kale salads because it's rough or it's bitter, and a number of those things. And that only happens if you haven't properly massaged your kale first. So I just have a mixing bowl kind of full of some raw kale leaves. Doesn't matter if you're buying it pre-chopped, that's cool, still massage it. Or if you're buying it from the stem like this was, then you still need to break it down and pull it off the stem too. So anyway, so this is off the stem raw kale in a mixing bowl. If you're eating a salad today, then I'm gonna have you add some olive oil and a little bit of salt to it to break it down even more. But if you want to meal prep your kale for the week, I wouldn't add anything to it. I would just massage it. So we'll start with that. So I like to wear gloves. You don't have to, but you're really just crunching it up. So I don't have to sit here and like massage each stem or each leaf, but I do want to really firmly crunch it up in my hand and break down the fibers. So I like to put it all in my hands and then like rip it in half so it gets into smaller pieces. So I'm just kind of mixing this up, right? So this mixing bowl looked kind of full before, right? Now, I mean, that didn't take long, right? And it looks really small. So this is how we massage kale. So that's that. I'll keep going. So again, if you want to eat a salad today, we could go ahead and put a little olive oil and salt on it, and that'll just help break it down the fibers even more. It'll really soften it up so that you're ready to put your dressing of any type or just throw it in a wrap or on a sandwich, things like that. You can also add kale to smoothies, but kale is really rich in chlorophyll. It has a lot of good vitamins and minerals in there for you. It's got a lot of fiber, so it's a really good vegetable that I would hate for you to miss out on just because you think it's too coarse or bitter. So there is our massaged kale. And again, if you want to eat it for now, I mean, I can just drizzle a tiny bit of olive oil on here and put a little bit of salt and massage this again. Sometimes I'll do olive oil, salt, and nutritional yeast, and I'll just eat it plain like this. Add some avocado, and I'd call it lunch. So, hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next time.